You might be asking yourself, who is never done projects?
Behind the house in that old 24 by 24, a dream was born, just a hammer and the floor. Daddy and me, we wrench under the moon, building classics to the whistle of a lonesome tune. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The Snowman family's along for the ride. Rails paid the bills, but the shop fed the soul. We worked long nights to make the dream whole. From that little backyard to a kingdom of chrome, we built it together, turned iron to home. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The Snowman family's along for the ride. Under the lights, the engine's roar, burnout spinning, always wanting more. YouTube cheers from my family so true, living our best life, every day feels new. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year.
Well, hello everyone. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel, and it has been a minute since I've sat here in front of you. Today is October 13th, 2025, and it's Monday afternoon, and last time we sat here was Randy and I sat here on Justin's birthday, which was the 7th, and I haven't been back in front of you. I apologize. I just completed 40 some hours in about 3 days, and before any of you nurses say y'all do it all the time, I did my 40 hours before I started the weekend, so 80 some hours, and that was no time to do anything. So my daily upload and my daily 6 p.m. live didn't happen. So Randy helped me out on a few days there and done a couple lives for me and done a video and a short. You know, he helped me out as all he could. He's up there where he can't do much, and he don't have good internet and he don't have a good computer, so he did what he could, and I appreciate it. I really do. I hated not to be able to be in live with you guys. I do enjoy it, and It bothered me, but I'm not one for overtime. I don't like the overtime. I don't even want to be there. But this is something that's unique when they come in, when they hire somebody to come in and do our jobs. I don't like giving my jobs away, so giving my work away. So when they're there, I'll have a right to be there, and then, you know, I'm not getting paid for doing the job because they're doing it. They can do it, you know, a lot of 35, 40 people show up and do it with all the machines, and they, you know, in 3 days they laid 2 miles of rail on both sides. So, you know, they did a good job and they did it quickly. So we can't do it that quick. So I understand why the railroad does it, but I don't like to give my work away. It's our work, and I like to protect our work. So if they're here, I make it where I'm there, and that way I get my money. I didn't work hard, don't get me wrong, but I did, you know, I was there 40 some hours. So anyway, with that being said, I apologize for my time away, because it means a lot to me for me to be there for you guys. But anyway, as I said, it's October 31st, it's Monday afternoon, and we got 18 days to our first ever trunk or treat. With the incident with Randy, and we do have some people that's going to come in and help out a little bit. I'm waiting on the flyers to hand out and try to make it a success. We ordered some candy. I'm probably going to have to order some more. I think Mike Long Ranch, I think he's ordering some. He's going to bring some, so we can try to make this a nice thing. So that is something I'd like to try to do for now on. This is our first, and I'd like to have many more. We got 19 days to our first ever Appreciation Day. I called it Appreciation Day. I really don't know what Randy wants to call it. We haven't discussed it. He doesn't know. I put this up here for today. We kept saying we need to count them down, but since the accident, our world's been turned upside down. So it's hard for us to continue forward. Right now, we're kind of treading water. We're trying to. Well, I don't think he realizes. And I know I've said it many times that I would lean on Randy a lot, and I do. But you don't know how much you lean on somebody until they're not there. So, you know, maybe I should do a lot more myself. I mean, I feel like I pull my weight, don't get me wrong, but on a lot of things that I know Randy's better at than me, I holler Jimmy the Cricket, and he jumps. So, you know, I can't get Justin to get involved like Randy. I don't know if, I mean, maybe in time, but Justin just don't seem to be as gung-ho about this place as Randy and I. So it is what it is, and Stephen don't care about cars, and Stephen don't care about this kind of work. So it's just kind of Randy and I. You know, Madison, you know, does her fair share to help. Don't get me wrong, but her and her side of the family don't really care what we got going on. I mean, they got their own things going on, and this is just mine and Randy's little ordeal. So when one of us drop out, it makes it hard on the other one, and we don't know until it happens. But anyway, you know, we're counting the days down. What is it? The 13th, and I think the 31st. If you dyslexic, it'd be today. But the 13th, I think. I don't think. I know the 31st. He goes back to have an X-ray, and we got our fingers crossed that on that day, they tell him he can start trying to walk again, or at least use his legs. We're hoping that he can stand up and shake y'all's hand. He may not be able to stand up the whole time when he's here, but he's hoping he can stand up and meet and greet everybody for these two events. and it would be awesome if he could. So anyway, that's what we got for the next 18, 19 days. We got a lot to do to try to get it done, try to make it happen. It's going to happen. It's just, we would like to pull it off a little bit more. And honestly, I kind of see, kind of like Daryl, you know, I'm this far away. You know, he's in Ohio at Metal Art Customs, and when he did his event, you know, there's nothing I can do to help him. And this same way here, a lot of people would love to help, but they can't just scoot over here after work and help if we're too far away. So all of our YouTube members and family is spread all over the world, so it's not like, you know, you guys can just jump over here and help. I hope a lot of you show up. It'd be awesome. But that's what we got going on for the next 18, 19 days. As far as today goes, I don't know how, but, well, I'm going to do the 6 p.m. live. I got to get ready to go here in just a second. I'm going to do it. It's going to be the first one since Thursday night for me. And then I'm going to do a video. I have no idea. I have no footage of any kind of video to do, so I don't know what I'm going to do. So after this, I get just as much of a surprise as you do, because I have no idea. Bear with me though, because it might be just some clips from the past or something. I don't know, but I'm going to put something together. So anyway, that's what I got going on today. I'm going to redo the board here when I got a little bit more time. I'd like to keep these two, count them down to when it happens. I'm hoping to get my life back on track here, go back to just my 10 hours a day, 4 days a week. And I am going to take the week, well, I plan on taking the week before this off, or that week off, so I can do a lot here. My boss man said no, because he's off that week, but we'll have to see, because I plan on being here. Mike said he was coming in a little early to help, and we got a lot to do. So anyway, that's what we got going on. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day that can be taken away from you in a flash. So do the best you can. Be happy and be safe. I'm telling you, your 1,440 minutes can be taken away from you, and it's not that many minutes in a day. And it can be taken away from you, and you'll be gone, and life's too short to be unhappy. So everything don't happen overnight. You got to kind of put things in place and make it happen. So get out there and make yourself happy. Enjoy your life. Smile. Stay away from the negativity and all the damn drama. Stay away from it. That's what I push for my lives and everything, is drama-free and just happiness. That everybody come in and if you can't boost somebody up, just don't talk. I'm sorry, that's the way I feel. Don't want nobody to come in and any newcomers come in and people talking shit about each other. You know, it's not what I want. So come in, lift everybody up, and enjoy life. So remember, 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step. Can't get finished, you get started. Take that first step, get on your journey, get on your projects, make yourself happy. And remember, keep it silly. Thank you. There we go. That's a little more better. Still got room for one more each one. So anyway, I got that. Let's see if I can work on the one in the office. Remember, y'all, $5 a month, y'all can have your name up here and in the office. Thank you.